In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and unlink notes or objects in Anytype. This updated guide will walk you through the process in a simple and practical way so you can connect information inside your workspace and keep everything organized. Linking notes in Anytype is useful when you want to reference related ideas, connect projects, or move quickly between objects without duplicating content. I'll also show you how to remove those links when you no longer need them. To begin, open the page or object where you want to add a link. This is the place where you want the connection to appear, so make sure you're inside the correct note before you start typing. Next, type the @ symbol on your keyboard, and then begin typing the name of the note you want to connect. As you type, Anytype will usually display a pop-up menu with matching notes or objects. This makes it faster to find what you need, especially if your workspace contains a lot of content. Once you see the correct note in the pop-up menu, select it. That will create an inline link directly in your text. Inline links are helpful because they let you reference another object naturally while writing without interrupting the flow of your note. If you prefer to link objects through relations instead of placing a link in the body text, go to the top of your object and click the Add Relation button. From there, select your target note. Relations are especially useful when you want to build a more structured system because they keep connections visible in a dedicated field near the top of the page. Now let's look at how to remove links. If you want to unlink an inline note, click directly on the link inside your text. After selecting it, press backspace on your keyboard to delete the link. In some cases, you may also see a small link menu appear. If you do, you can choose the remove link option instead. Both methods are useful, so you can use whichever feels more convenient in the moment. To remove a linked relation, go to the relation field near the top of your page and click on it. Then choose the clear or delete option to remove that connection. This will unlink the related object from the relation field without needing to edit the main body text. That's all there is to it. Linking and unlinking objects in Anytype is quick, flexible, and a great way to keep your workspace connected and easy to navigate. Thanks for watching and enjoy building your workspace.